Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can embed Facebook profile and page post in WordPress blog. Firstly, I will show how you can do this in Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. So firstly, I am going to my post section. After that, I am going to open a test post in Gutenberg blog editor where I will embed my Facebook profile post and page post. So here I want to embed my Facebook profile post. So I am writing Facebook profile post here. Perfect. So I am making it heading bold, save draft. So right now I am on my Facebook profile. I want to embed this Facebook post. Click on this three dot icon. Then below you will get embed option here. Click on embed. Here you will get instruction, copy and paste this code into your website. So click on copy code. Now come to your website backend and here click on plus to add blog and search here with custom HTML. Select that blog and paste that code here. It's complete. So save draft. So click on view preview. You see this post is already embedded here, but problem is it's not displaying the full height. It's cropped little bit part. So how I can fix these things? Here in your post you will see they already mentioned from the Facebook width 500, that means 500 pixel, and height 250 pixel. So I can customize these things. For example, I want to give height 450 pixel. So I added 400 here. I am making it zoom, then you can check easily. So width 500 and I made the height 450. So save draft and giving refresh here, making it 100%. You see still like this part is still cropped, so I need more height. So make it 550, or for safe side I can make it 600. Let's see how it looks like. Giving a refresh, you see now full post is perfectly displaying here, but I think 600 is bigger, so it's better to make it 500. Maybe it will be perfect. Save draft, again refresh. Now it's 100% perfect. So height is 475 is perfect. Now question is, if you want to make this embed align center, how you can do this? Just follow these simple tricks. Before starting the iframe code, write center, and after the code give a ending tag of center. That's all. Just save draft and giving a refresh. You see this post already aligned center. So this was profile post. I want to embed Facebook page post. After that, how I can do it? So I am going to my Facebook page and I am going to embed this post or this post. Okay, I am going to embed this one. How I can do it? Simple, same process. Click on three dot. Below you will get embed, and if you want include full post, so click here. This full post will embed, and if you don't give click, then only the thumbnail part will embed. I want full post, so I clicked here and copy the code, and here has another option, start embed. As this is a video, so when you are embedding a video in your WordPress website, you can select this video will play on your website after how many seconds. Like you want after 2 minutes, so 0 to, so it will start from after 2 minutes. So actually I don't want this, so I'm removing it. And include full post, I am giving tick sign there, and after that copy code, and I'm going to my website backend. Same, I have to add new block custom HTML, and I will paste that code here and save draft and giving a refresh here. You see Facebook page post is here. So still it was same problem. They are cropping a little bit part. So I want to give a height bigger, like as like previously. I can give 475. Let's see how it's work perfectly or not. Giving a refresh, it's still cropped little bit part. So it's better as a page, it's better to give height 490 and giving a refresh here. Still there has little bit part cropped. So for safe side, I am going to give 510 pixel and giving a refresh. Now it's perfect. So this is the way to embed your Facebook profile post or Facebook page post on your Gutenberg blog editor. Now question, how you can do the same things on classic editor? I will show it now. Now I am going to open the same post in classic editor. So Facebook profile post will be under this headline and Facebook page post will be under this headline. So firstly come to my Facebook profile. Again I want to embed this post from my Facebook profile. So click on three dot, click, after that click on embed and copy this code and come to your WordPress classic editor. After that there is no way, such kind of way to add blog custom HTML. So for this classic editor, I have to select this headline, and after that I have to click on this text option, this text. So click here. So this was the headline, and after that I want to paste that code, which code I already copied from the Facebook. So here is a height 250. Previously we used 475. So I am making it 475 and save draft. Give a refresh. You see this post already embedded here. So same question, if you want to make this post align center, how I can make it? It's simple, as it is the Gutenberg block editor. Just add a center tag before starting the iframe code, and after the iframe code add closing center tag. Done. Save draft and give a refresh here. It's align center. So for Facebook page post, for example, I want to embed this post. Just click on three dot and below find embed option, click on embed and include full post if you want. So this time I will not include full post, only the copy code, then you can understand the different. So copy code, and I am coming to website classic editor dashboard. After that I will add that embed page post below this headline. So I am selecting this one, then it will be easy to find from the text option that will be highlighted there. So come here and you see this part is highlighted here. So after this part, I'm going to add this code. Very simple. And height is 314. I am making 510 and giving center tag at once. You, as you know, if I want to make it center, I have to give this code. So I am giving all of the things at once for now, as you are expert now doing all of the things together. Give a refresh. You see, this is the Facebook page post, and I didn't selected include full post. It's just embedded the video part or content part. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.